Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user or accountant in QuickBooks Online. This is a straightforward process that only takes about 5 minutes and is an essential task for anyone managing their business finances using QuickBooks. First, you'll need to sign in. Head over to the QuickBooks Online website and locate the Sign In button. Click on it to initiate the sign-in process. QuickBooks Online is a widely recognized platform ideal for streamlining your accounting tasks. So this is where you need to be to manage your user permissions. Once you are on the sign-in page, select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This ensures you're logging into the correct platform specifically designed for online accounting, as QuickBooks has several different versions. Now proceed by entering your credentials. This means your registered email and password. After you've entered the correct information, click Continue to access your account. Remember, it's crucial to keep your login details secure and private to protect your financial data. After successfully logging in, navigate to the section titled My Accountant. Usually find this in the navigation menu on your dashboard. By clicking on My Accountant, you enter the area where you can manage accountant access, which is distinctly separate from other user settings, reinforcing security and focus permissions. The next step involves typing your accountant's email address. Make sure the email address you enter is correct. Otherwise, your accountant will not receive the invite, which will delay the entire process. It's often best to confirm the email address with your accountant before proceeding. Just to ensure there are no mistakes, once you've double-checked the email address for accuracy, you'll want to move forward by clicking on the Invite button. This sends an invitation to your accountant, granting them access to view and manage your financial details on QuickBooks. Inviting an accountant is an efficient way to collaborate and streamline your financial management process, as it allows for direct expert oversight. Finally, after sending the invitation, it's a good practice to notify your accountant separately that you've sent over the invite. This way, they can be on the lookout for it in their inbox, reducing any potential downtime in setting up their access. A quick email or message to your accountant can save time and ensure smooth communication. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a user or accountant to your QuickBooks Online account. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Happy bookkeeping!